This will change how you use Instantly forever. So the tool that you need to use if you're not using it already is clay.com. So Clay is a prospecting tool, very, very powerful. If you're not using it and you're using Apollo instead, not that Apollo needs to be thrown away, but I highly recommend looking at Clay. And one of the reasons Clay is so powerful is because of all the integrations that it has natively. So you can create a lead list, like I have here, 1,100 rows targeting executives in the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia area. And what you can do is run enrichments on those executives and then so easily send them over to Instantly to create a campaign in Instantly. So all you need to do is in your Instantly account, after you create your campaign, you're going to go get your API key from Instantly. So that can be a little hard to find. What you'll do is go down to your settings here, click settings, and then you will go into your account and settings, and then you'll go to integrations, and then API keys, and then you're going to create a version 2 API key. So just click this little button here, create API key. You're going to give it all the scopes and then give it a name. And then once you do, let's just say I create that key. Let's just call it test key. We'll give it all scopes and we'll click create. And then we'll copy that key. So that's my test key. So I'm actually going to delete that key. And then you're going to come bring it back into Clay here. And the way that and this video is not going to cover how to actually use Clay, but just assuming you're using Clay, the way that you can easily drop this into Instantly is just come to actions and then type in Instantly. We'll see if it gets it there. It didn't. I misspelled it. Instantly. And then add lead to campaign. You see there's a little key here. So it's going to prompt you to add your key. I've already added mine, but you click add account, put in the name of your key. You can just call it test key. I pasted in my key, and then you click test account and save. This should break because I deleted the key. So the key doesn't exist. Great. If it passes, then you will see that the key, it'll be green here, and this should close out. And then you'll have your key there. But since I already have mine in, what we can do is on each row, each lead, you can come in here and choose the campaign ID, right? So let's just say, yeah, let's do this. So I'm running this for executives. Running this for executives, busy CEOs. That's what I'm running this for. And then any fields you want to map, you just map those fields. You can add personalizations, custom variables. I'm not going to. And then you can save and just run for 10 rows first to make sure everything's working correctly. So we'll see here, it should come through. It shouldn't duplicate the campaigns, so let's go over to Instantly. Yes, so it's just put in 10 people. That's great. And so then you can go back and you can run it for all the other records as well. So let's just have it run for this whole column. Run all 1,000 rows that haven't run. And then just watch as it quickly sends all your leads over to Instantly. No necessary copy and pasting, no necessary CSV exporting. If you're already using Clay, this is a no-brainer. And if you're not using Clay, you might consider using Clay. It's an expensive tool, but if you're paying for things like Apollo, then it's about the same price to get started. And if you're a big business, it's a very small expense in the grand scheme of things. So let's go and check Instantly and just see those leads all flowing in right now. I'll click away. We'll refresh. There you go, 222, and it's growing And so just like that, you can drop leads into your campaign, and with personalizations that you can run in Clay, it is just effortless to get this done. It all just happens so seamlessly and quickly. So that's all for today. If you need help setting anything up for your business, Automation Consulting Services, my business, can help you out. Just drop a comment, or you can grab my email off of my YouTube page, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great day.